Space is a vacuum, so sound can't travel, right? That's true for most of space, but near a black hole, things get weird. NASA recently released the actual sound of a supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster. This black hole is surrounded by a massive cloud of hot gas. The black hole sends out pressure waves, or ripples, through this gas. These ripples are incredibly low frequency, far below the range of human hearing. In fact, one note is about 57 octaves below middle C. NASA scientists were able to amplify these sound waves by up to 57,000 times. What you hear is a spooky, low-frequency hum. It's the real sound of a black hole, a cosmic monster singing in the deep. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe.